Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demo to you this is a very experienced electronic engineer. He's going to demo to you how to replace the speaker. If suppose the speaker has any problem, he'll show you how to replace
magnetic switch problem.
Yeah, and okay, let's go, let's start.
OnePlus.
This is OnePlus. So guys, now you watch. He's opening it. You can see what he's doing. Just open. Right. Now those are the wires. How many wires are those? कितना wire है?
बजेगी से हो जाएगा क्या करना ये चेंज यार देखना ये क्या है मेरा रस्ते ना
Excuse me, there's other customers who are come to the shop. Wait a minute, I want to show you.
ये रस्सी से खींच के इसे यहाँ करके
It's not part of the video. He's received some orders here. He's attending to the customers and we proceed.
चेंज हो जाती है भाई सेम वायर मिलेगी
Okay guys, he's speaking
तो वही सही है ना
This is Hindi. He's speaking
चल रहा है
Hindi.
पूरा वर्क कर रहा है
Yeah.
तो एक काम करें इस वाले में ब्लैक डाल दें
For those who understand Hindi, you can tell what he's saying.
फिर इसमें क्या करेंगे इतने तक कर सकते हैं इतना कर सकते हैं
He's explaining to them
काट के इसे अंदर कर देंगे
what he's going to do to repair it. They are negotiating the price and of course time it will take to repair it. They are saying they don't have enough time, so maybe they not wait.
चलो कुछ जब टाइम हो तो
So they don't have time.
हो जाएगा 100 रुपये लगेगा
They're still asking the price and they have left, so we continue from where we left. Yeah, this is OnePlus.
1 2 3 4 5 वायर
5 wires. Okay. And you can-
माइनस
uh-huh.
माइनस
Uh,
प्लस
uh-huh.
होल सेंसर वायर
Sensor. Okay.
और स्पीकर वायर
The speaker wire. Okay.
ग्रीन ब्लू
Green blue is speaker. The speaker green blue. Okay. So he is examining it further. So let's see what he'll do next. He's going to check whether it's taking in power. It's put in the jack.
ऑन बट
On. Oh no. It's on.
चार्जिंग बट नो ऑन
Charging button is not on.
नेकबैंड
Okay. Yeah. So there it is. Now let's see what next. So see what's the problem. The charging button is not on. Now you watch guys, I don't have to talk all the time. Watch what's going on. So he clipped out one of the wires cut one of the wires. Guys, it's a marketplace. You'll hear a lot of noise. I hope you don't mind it. Just concentrate on the video to watch what the engineer is doing. Yeah, running the wire, kind of shouldering, right? See what is doing? I think you found a problem with the wire, so he's trying to repair it. See the details. That's a shoulder. This iron. They're applying the heat. Applying the heat. And they're fixing the wire. Okay. So fixed it. He's done that. He's checking out to see whether it's working. Trying to see whether it's working. There's a neighbor who's talking continuously here. You don't mind what he's saying. Just focus on the video. Guys, it might be a long video because here is a marketplace and is getting extra orders. He's trying to fix it. Now, sorry, the guys around us who are talking a lot about their own affairs, so that's not part of the video. It's a marketplace. Okay. Anyway, they're speaking Hindi. For those who understand Hindi, I tell you this is not part of the video. It's a marketplace, as I told you before. You'll expect the interference because he's sitting in the shop. Many customers are coming in who want some service, who have their instrument devices which have mechanical problems. So now it's resumed. See what he's doing. He's fixing it. Yeah. Maybe I should move back a bit. You're not interested in. You're interested to see what he's doing, so that is why your eyes should be focused. Yeah. It's a practical video. Repair work of a neckband. This is 1 plus. This is 1 plus. This is 1 plus. So you see, it's getting other people coming in who wants to repair. It's quite famous here. I think it's the only one around. There fixes it. Right. Somebody else has come in with another one who wants it to be repaired. Right. He's explaining to them. He's explaining to them what the problem is and how much it will cost. Okay. They are speaking Hindi. This is a Hindi place, the market. I'm in India, New Delhi actually, Chani Chowk. Okay. Another person is coming asking for calculator repair. Quite a busy place. So he resumes again to fix the neckband. 1 plus. He's checking further, another side. He's checking another side, guys. It's gonna be a long video because we are not alone here. There are many people are coming in, so he has to attend to them at the same time, or else he's doing the work. They're asking how much it costs to service their devices, repair work. Yeah. So he's taken off another one. So he's gonna check whether it has any problem. Remember in the beginning the charge button was not showing. So he's now checking for the fault. What is the problem? So he opened the other one, he fixed the wire. Now he has opened the other one. You can see what he's doing. Yeah, it's burning that stuff. I guess what क्या है वो?
Motherboard.
This is motherboard. It's checking the motherboard
Neckband.
of the neckband.
हाँ भाई 250 के नहीं है एक है देखता हूँ वो भी है नहीं है
As I told you guys, we are not alone here. So time and again there will be interference in the video, but we continue.
30-40 रुपए का बोली थी कल आए नहीं थे
We shall continue. Now he continues again to check. This is a motherboard. A motherboard repair work. So maybe he has found the problem. It's a wire there. He's trying to find the wire to put there. Yes, as I told you, it's a repair work, so the video will be long. So let's see what he's doing. Okay, he has cut it. He has cut the wire. Something what he requires to put in the neckband he took from another one. Yeah, it's quite heavy work. Yeah, you hear all types of sounds in this market. There are many activities going on at the same time. If I turn my camera, you'll see a lot. See many people moving around. Okay. It's a marketplace actually. I was trying to fix something else to the neckband. You can see what he's doing. He has opened the wires. And this place has music here. We're only lucky that they have not started to blow the music because I know YouTube is sensitive to music. So maybe I'll terminate it once the music starts. I'll have to terminate the video. We're going to get a copyright strike. It's quite a lengthy procedure, guys. You can see what he's doing. So he's removing something from there. Speaker. So removing the speaker to replace it. Okay, that's the speaker. Replace. Okay, you can see what he's doing. Quite a lot of work actually. Yeah. The OnePlus neckband repair service. Just putting the wire inside. Okay. Now it's exposing the wires. Then I guess you put in the speaker. Just watch what is going on. Music is on. This place is a busy place. I hope it will not affect the video. Okay, it's now fixing the speaker. Let's fix the speaker. Sorry guys, the music has started. Ban kalona, Ghana. Let's continue the video, guys. I stopped because of the music. Remember, he was changing the speaker, and now he's attaching the wires.
पता है क्यों बोल रहा रोड पे ना
Watch what he's doing. That's, I think, putting some liquid there, maybe LV. Guys, I have to stop. Whenever music is there, I have to stop. Then we continue. Sorry for that. It's a busy market. Very busy. Already the video is becoming too long.